Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Razer Synapse for device detection fixes, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching your computer and ensuring it is connected to the internet. Next, navigate to your web browser of choice. In the search bar, type Razer Synapse download and press enter. Locate the official Razer website in the search results. Click on the link that directs you to the Razer Synapse download page. Once the page loads, look for the latest version of Razer Synapse. Click on the download button to begin downloading the installation file. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file in your downloads folder. Double-click the Razer Synapse installation file to run it. If prompted, agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open Razer Synapse on your computer. Log in with your Razer account credentials or create a new account if necessary. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab within Razer Synapse. Check for any available updates by looking for an Update section. If an update is available, click on the Update button to begin the process. Wait for the update to finish downloading and installing. Once the update is complete, restart Razer Synapse. Now, reconnect your Razer device to the computer. Allow Razer Synapse a moment to detect your device. If your device is not recognized, try unplugging it and plugging it back in. You should see your device appear in the list of connected devices. Your Razer Synapse should now be fully updated, resolving device detection issues. You are now ready to customize your Razer device settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.